Today we're taking a close look at one of the most stylish comebacks in automotive history, the 2026 Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen has brought this iconic nameplate back with a stunning redesign that blends retro charm with modern performance and features. Whether you're a fan of the original or just love sleek, expressive design, this car is bound to grab your attention. Right off the bat, the exterior is a showstopper. The new Karmann Ghia retains the curvaceous, elegant silhouette that made the original a classic, but it's now sculpted with aerodynamic precision. The front fascia is minimal yet bold, featuring a seamless LED light bar that stretches across the nose while the subtle VW badge sits proudly in the center. The rounded fenders and wide stance give it a slightly aggressive look, but it still feels friendly and approachable. Volkswagen didn't go overboard. They respected the heritage, but added just enough modern lines and textures to keep it current. With its low-slung profile, short overhangs, and retro-styled wheels, the 2026 Ghia easily turns heads, whether it's parked or on the move. Step inside, and the blend of old-school inspiration and high-tech features continues. The interior is minimalistic but not bare. Volkswagen uses sustainable materials, including recycled leather and wood trim options, giving it a premium yet eco-conscious vibe. The dashboard is clean and low, giving excellent visibility, and the digital display is integrated smoothly into the design. There's a fully customizable 12.3-inch digital cluster behind the wheel, paired with a 15-inch infotainment screen in the center that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is fast, intuitive, and comes with voice control, powered by VW's latest AI assistant. One of the standout interior features is the ambient lighting system. It wraps around the doors and dashboard with soft, glowing lines that can change color based on your mood or driving mode. The seats are slim but supportive, with integrated heating, ventilation, and massage functions available in the higher trims. Although it's a coupe, the cabin doesn't feel cramped. There's plenty of legroom up front, and even the rear seats are usable for short trips or small passengers. The trunk space is modest, but the rear seats fold down if you need extra room for luggage. Under the hood, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers two options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out 245 horsepower. It's quick, smooth, and well-matched to the car's lightweight platform. For enthusiasts, there's an all-electric Ghia GT version with dual motors, producing a combined 375 horsepower and 0-60 mph in just under 4.2 seconds. It's responsive, balanced, and delivers that instant EV torque that makes everyday driving genuinely fun. The GT also comes with adaptive suspension and selectable drive modes, so you can cruise in comfort or tighten things up for twisty back roads. Handling is where the Ghia shines. The steering is direct and communicative, and the chassis feels well-tuned for both city driving and weekend canyon runs. Even the standard gasoline version is light on its feet, with a low center of gravity and rear-wheel drive setup that makes it feel planted and agile. Road noise is impressively low, thanks to good insulation and double-paned glass, which adds to the premium feel. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Karmann Ghia is surprisingly competitive. The base turbocharged model starts around $38,000, making it an accessible entry into the world of modern retro coupes. The fully loaded electric Ghia GT, with all the bells and whistles, tops out around $55,000. Considering the technology, performance, and design you're getting, it's a strong value. In its class, Volkswagen is positioning the Ghia as a lifestyle vehicle, something that blends passion, performance, and practicality. It's not just another coupe, it's a statement. So whether you're drawn to its classic roots or modern execution, the 2026 Karmann Ghia proves that retro can still be relevant. It's stylish, smart, and seriously fun to drive. If you're in the market for something unique that doesn't compromise on quality or performance, this car definitely deserves a spot on your short list.